guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I want to say welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, I want to say welcome back. Today I'm back again with another holiday recipe. I will be showing you guys how to make the most delicious honey orange glazed Cornish hens. I have 4 of them here, and as you can see, I already prepped and seasoned them really well. Now I will show you guys how I achieve all of this. So first things first, I washed and cleaned my Cornish hens with some vinegar and limes, and then I drained them and pat them super dry because you want them dry so that the seasonings can adhere to them. Next, I created a marinade for the hens using some fresh green seasoning, chicken bouillon, complete seasoning, seasoned salt, paprika, garlic and onion powder, and black pepper. I also used a little mustard oil. Now you can use any oil of your choice. It doesn't have to be mustard oil. So what I did was combine the seasoning really well, added the oil, mix until it forms a nice paste, and I lathered my birds with that marinade. All up in the breast, the thighs, and I got up in there and I really massaged them and seasoned them up. Then I placed them in the fridge overnight. So once your hens are nicely seasoned, you will either place them in a Ziploc bag or in a bowl and sit them in the fridge overnight. Do not rush the process. You will get the best results if you let them sit overnight. Now these look a little bigger than they actually are. I don't know, it's on the camera they're looking big, but they're actually really tiny. So fast forward to the next day, I did take these out of the fridge 2 hours prior so that they can come up to room temperature. You never want to cook cold meat. So what I'll do next is place these in a 375-degree oven for about 1 hour. Then I'll show you guys what's next. While the hens are in the oven, we'll go ahead and make a glaze for the hens using some orange zest, some apple cider vinegar. I have some honey, brown sugar, I have soy sauce, some chili paste, and some orange juice. In a medium-sized saucepan, I will add some butter and allow it to melt. Once the butter melts, we'll add our orange zest, and then we will, let it mix for a few seconds. We will go in with our orange juice. We will add our chili paste. We will add the rest, everything else, the rest of the ingredients. Add everything to the pot and let it come up to a simmer. And what we'll do is let it reduce so that it can thicken up. Once it thickens up, we'll turn the heat off and set aside. Super simple and easy to make this, and it's absolutely delish. So after about 1 hour, this is how our hens are looking. Now we'll go ahead and glaze the hens with that yummy glaze that we made. We'll set our oven to 425 degrees this time. Then we'll place them back in there for 20 minutes. 10 minutes in, we will glaze them again for a second time. And after about 1 hour and 20 minutes in total, this is what your Cornish hens should be looking like. It smells absolutely amazing in here. Now I'll plate them up and show y'all the finished product. So this is how I make a super delicious honey orange glaze Cornish hens. It's perfect for your holiday table. You can serve them up one a person or a half a person. You know, it doesn't matter. It's perfect. I did serve mine up with some green beans, and my husband, he likes potatoes, so I gave him some smashed roasted potatoes, and I did serve my plate up with some green beans and that cook-up rice I made yesterday. So this was my plate because I love rice and my husband loves potatoes. This is the stuff we do in our house. I do hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, please guys give me a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and enjoy.